So today I want to show you how to add an external bank account onto your Crew account. Now we're actually here in real time. As you can see, we're currently on the banking tab, it has the little bank $ icon. And we want to go over to the right-hand side that says menu with the 3 stacked lines. Now from right over here, you're going to see in the center, it's going to say linked bank accounts. And this says get started for us since we don't have any in this account just yet. So let's go ahead and click on this option. Now that's going to take us to this page over here because they do use a third party to go ahead and do an instant connection for you. So from here, you can go ahead and search for the bank you have. You can see these are going to be some of the most popular banks, but you can also go ahead and just search for your bank here at the very top to make it a little bit faster if it's not here at the very top. So whichever bank you have, you're pretty much going to find this exact same spot over here, which is going to have you enter in your credentials for logging into your bank account as if you were logging in on your regular app or your desktop browser. So it's going to ask for your email and your password. We're going to go ahead and click on continue. So you can see right over here, after we went through the login, it's going through a verification process for us in real time. Now, if you're anything like me and have additional security, it might ask you for a 2-factor authentication, whether through an authentication app or a text or an email, whichever way you have it. We're going to plug that information in here and go to the next step. Now that's going to drop us off over to this page over here, which then allows you to also give any nicknames you would like for these particular accounts. So you can click on the right-hand arrows and give these nicknames. Now, if you'd like to add more external accounts, you can go ahead and click on the add button on the top right-hand side, or you can go to the top left arrow and go back to the main page of your Crew account. Now I want to show you how to add money onto your brand new Crew account, and we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen to learn how to do just that.